In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Framer, guiding you through the process step by step. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, just diving into the world of Framer, understanding how to craft basic shapes is an essential skill, and I'm here to make this journey as smooth as possible. First things first, let's get started by opening Framer. Once you've got it up and running, the initial step in our shape-making adventure is to press the I key on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will take you straight to the Insert section. Now you might be looking for a category labeled Shapes, but you'll notice it's not there. This is simply because Framer doesn't come with pre-made shape tools like some other design software. But don't worry, creating shapes in Framer is still a breeze. The trick lies in using frames and then customizing them to your liking. To start down this path, hit the F key. This action activates the Frame tool, which is your primary method for creating shapes. Once you've enabled the Frame tool, just click and drag on your canvas. This action will let you draw a frame, which will serve as the foundation of your shape. Now, if your goal is to create a perfect square, there's a neat trick you'll want to use. As you drag to create your frame, hold down the Shift key. This little maneuver locks the proportions and ensures you end up with equal width and height, precisely forming a square. But what if you want a rectangle instead? No problem. Direct your attention to the Properties panel located on the right-hand side of your screen. By default, you'll see that the aspect ratio is locked, which is what keeps your frame square while holding the Shift. To switch things up and allow for more flexibility, click the small lock icon once to unlock it. With the lock icon disengaged, you can freely drag the edges of your frame, adjusting its dimensions to create the perfect rectangle for your needs. Now let's dive into creating a circle, which starts off in a similar vein. Begin by drawing that perfect square once again, using the Shift key to make sure it stays that way. After selecting your square, look over the Properties panel once more and scroll down until you find the option labeled Radius. Here's where the magic happens. Gradually increase the radius value to about 150. As you do this, you'll witness the square elegantly transition into a perfect circle before your eyes. And there you have it. By using frames and making some simple adjustments, you've mastered the basics of creating shapes in Framer. These techniques give you the foundational knowledge to explore and experiment with a variety of shapes in your design work. Happy designing!